Hello everyone, this is Tamuna from Stitches and Threads. Today I will show you how to create your own Christmas tree ornaments using hand-embroidered holiday motifs. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Happy stitching! So I have 4 designs to create ornaments, Christmas tree ornaments. The first one is a fireplace. As you can see, it's a small design, and the background or the fireplace background is black, the front is brown, and I also put some ornaments in threads, in metallic threads. The second design is stocking, Santa stocking. The problem is that, as you can see, some of the threads are bluish. Use a stick and stitch paper. Use heat erasable or water soluble pens so that when you wash it off, the ink doesn't bleed into your thread. The third design will be this very cute mittens and hat. For this one I used straight stitches here and here. I used long and short stitches for the main part of the hat. The main part of the mittens are stitched with satin stitch. And the final design, this very cute Santa, mostly as you can see it's French knots. I used mostly French knots, satin stitch and seed stitches for his face. So I will first cut the design. I will use probably this diameter to have the design. I will put the felt backing of this color, yellowish color, and I will stitch the edges once the felt and the fabric has been sewn, cut out together, using this reddish thread. I think it will look nice. Edges might not be perfectly cut, but it's fine because we will hide it with edge stitches. So here I'm marking where should the edge of that outline or border stitch should be, so it's not wobbly and it doesn't interfere with the design too much. So I'll make a marking that will guide me to create the edges. I'm using 2 threads to create the border, and I will use fine thread to stitch the border so the needle doesn't puncture too hard. And this is my method, my way of threading the needle. You take the edge of the thread and put the eye of the needle right on top of it and try to slide the thread into the eye of the needle. Now the first one is this, and then the second one is just right next to it, and I catch the thread. You can make the stitches closer to each other if you think that the fabric might come off easily. The threads might come, the loose threads from the fabric can come off easily over time. So the fabric lies smoothly with no creases on the felt. Just slide the needle into the very first stitch and voila! You can anchor your stitch here on the felt, but not puncturing and going into the fabric on the front. Now I will use the fan to remove the heat erasable pen, and then we can finish with the loop to hang our beautiful design. Okay, so here is our center. If you think that there are some loose ends coming off, you can stitch in between and go for the second round. I won't be doing it, I think I'll be fine. And now I'll create a loop to hang this ornament on my Christmas tree. For the loop, I will use the same colored thread, the same thread I used for the edges. I think the length will be this long. I don't know how much it is in centimeters or inches, but I think this will be more than enough, and I'm using 4 strands. I'm cutting the loose end from the knot. And I have to go through this loop, so I have to be careful. So I'm going to do the same with the 3 remaining designs and show you all the ornaments together.